So I recently commissioned the homie Jake at Rendered by Thor. Peep this out. Always a nice little custom touch for your rendering coming in the mail. Packaging is always on point. I was going to meet up with them on the way back from my cruise, but I didn't get a chance. You can see here, always a lot of care when he ships these bad boys out. A couple more to rip through. Rest in peace to my dad, Papa Smurf. Now, if you don't know, now you know. Got them CC Cycle wheels, a.k.a. Colorado Custom wheels. Got the Lincoln Addict logo. Rest in peace to my pops, Papa Smurf. Got the Smuggler for Smugglers Blues on the license plate. Lots of detail. Thanks, Jake, Rendered by Thor. On point like a fax. We got ya.